Hi, it's Rich at Rich's Mobile Auto Repair. Working on a 2010 Volkswagen Routan or Dodge Caravan, 3.8 liter. We have a misfire on cylinder 5. That would be the rear bank right here. Easiest way is just, look at the back where your plug wires go. So you got 153, so here's 5, follow that back. Front of the engine's over here on the passenger side. Come back. And it says we have an open fuel injector. So I just pulled off the upper intake and tested the ohms resistance across my fuel injector, and it is open. So fortunately I've brought an injector with me and plenum gaskets, and I will clean this up and throw it back together and we should be all fixed. So you've got 8 10mm bolts here, got a couple 8mm bolts here for your EGR pipe, and take off your air cleaner and undo your map sensor, and then you're ready to go.